Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have HONOR Magic8 Pro. In this video let me show you how to factory reset this device in your settings, using your settings. So before we start, it's very important to note that before you factory reset your device, ensure that you back up everything, because factory reset erases everything from your device. That is your photos, applications, messages, contacts, etc. So basically everything will be erased. Okay, so let's open settings, and you want to scroll down to system and updates. Now let's go to section option reset, and now we want to select option reset phone. Here you can see some information, which specifically data will be deleted from your device. So that includes accounts, app data and system settings, installed apps, music, photos, files, and some others, and some personal information that will be erased from this phone. So let's press reset phone button at the bottom side of the screen, and now we want to confirm the factory reset using your lock screen password, and you want to select reset option one last time. After this, your phone will reboot, and you will see on your screen HONOR logo. So you should wait a little bit. This will take from 3 to 5 minutes, and after this your phone will be factory reset. So that is basically it. I really hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.